Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Gemini for content writing and blogging. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use Gemini for content writing and blogging, all you gotta do is simply go to your Gemini. Once you're in your Gemini, you need to simply upload some relevant documents about what you want to write content about, and you want to start your vlogging too. So if you are typing in or simply uploading some files, Gemini will know what you want. However, you can also prompt Gemini for helping you to simply write a content or write a blog about certain topics. So if you are going to simply define a precise prompt, and if you're going to structure that prompt accordingly, then you can use your Gemini for content writing and blogging, which will make your work more efficient and effective. So this way you can simply use your Gemini. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.